Hey, Ravi, how's it going?
Hi, Hari, I'm doing well. I'm currently in the quality department, but I'm having some trouble creating balloon drawings for a few components.
Are you using any automated software for creating those balloon drawings?
No, we're doing it manually. Are there any software options available for ballooning PDF drawings?
What design software is your team using for modeling and drafting?
We use SOLIDWORKS for modeling and DraftSite for drafting.
Have you heard about SOLIDWORKS Inspection?
No, what's that? Would it help with my work?
SOLIDWORKS Inspection automates the ballooning of engineering drawings, reduces the time needed for recording inspection measurements, and simplifies the creation of industry-standard inspection reports using existing 2D and 3D CAD data.
That sounds promising. How can I find out more about it?
I recommend contacting a SOLIDWORKS reseller. They can provide you with detailed information and even a demo. Plus, SIM Technology is providing year-end offers right now, so it's a good time to reach out.
Great. I'll get in touch with SIM Technology. Thanks for the guidance.